finally here, my Beautylish Lucky Box. They call it a bag, but it's a box. So if you want to see if I got a good one or not, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are, well, Bandit's barking for his dinner from my mom, and Chloe is studying for her midterms. But she got me today and this box, which is dripping wet, that came in today. And this is the Beautylish Lucky Bag. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. I know you're probably intrigued. Did I get the same thing everybody else got? I don't know. We'll see. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family and your ongoing support. So these are available the day after Christmas. They're a limited quantity. They are considered mystery, although I tend to see that most of us get about the same thing with a few different variations. So what seems to have been popular this year for these bags were the Danessa Myricks Groundworks palette in a pink tone. They're all mattes. I love Danessa Myricks. I don't love all mattes, but that seems to be what most people got. The only other palette that I saw that was big was one by Viseart. I don't know, they're an expensive brand. It's all right. I wasn't excited. I really wasn't excited about anybody's box. So last year I got the Danessa Myricks Groundwork, whatever the most recent one was, and I was just over the moon excited. So I was like so on board this year. Then people got theirs before me, and I made the mistake of watching it, and now I'm like, we'll see. But I don't know, maybe it'll be great. So I did get the extra large. Those are $150 plus shipping. And I also got a Jeffree Star one. But in order to get more than one, you have to go in under a different browser. Because when I went in under my same browser, it was only like, you already got one. And I was like, but I want a Jeffree Star one. And they were like, no, you can't have it. So yeah, so I went in under a different browser and got it. The different email. Same credit card. All right, so this year we have this little duck on here, and it says, "You lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy and a sprinkle of luck and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside." Usually it tells you who packed the box. This doesn't. Maybe that's somewhere else. The wrap that's in it is always so nice. And these are my items. And no. Just no. Everybody got one big palette. I got no big palettes. This is the extra large one. Here is the wrapping paper. It's super cute. It's like a little cartoon. So that's the best thing about the box right now. All right, so we'll start off with what I know to be the cheapest product in here, which is by Good Molecules. And this is a brand, I think, exclusively on Beautylish. And this is their lightweight daily moisturizer. And I've not used, just because I have so many different products, I've not used these. I have heard good things about the Good Molecules products. I just tend to give them away because of how much product I already have. Next, by Oribe, is the Run Through Detangling Shampoo. I've not used their shampoos. I've used some of their other products. I do enjoy them. I did see a lot of people got this Verb dandruff shampoo, which I thought was kind of a random thing to put in a mystery box. So glad I didn't get that, but here we go. Now I believe you're supposed to get $300 worth of product. And I don't know, something here must have a really big price tag because I'm not seeing it. Next, by Super Egg, is the Sound Renewal Serum Cream. Super Ego. No? I'm pretty sure this says Super Egg. It has panthenol, ECCG, peptides, hydrated lectin, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. And here is how that looks. Next, by Charlotte Tilbury, is the Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette, and I actually have 2 of these, so I'm not going to be opening this. And it's a nice palette. It's a little mini palette though. It's a little mini palette. The other little mini palette I got is by Art, and this is the London Etoile palette. There we go. It's nice colors, but like, where's my full size? This is a cheat to me. To give me 2 little tiny palettes. You did me dirty. Did me dirty, Beautylish. I have a mini Sonia G brush. Everybody else got a full size brush. I got a mini brush. Beautylish, you really did me dirty here. It's a nice brush, but it's a mini brush. I got a singular slip scrunchie. I did see some people got singular ones. I saw one person who got like the little ornament thing. I do like these, but like, this is like you gave me a bunch of deluxe samples. All right, what is this that I'm going to be disappointed in? This is the Lifido Gloss by Cicely Paris. I know this is an expensive company. It is in color 10 Star. Kind of bright there for a gloss, kind of red. Yeah, so all I can say about that. I'm not a red lipstick wearer. And by Danessa Myricks is the Yummy Flushed in Rose and Brunch. Now again, if this were the $75 one, I'd be like, that's good. But it wasn't. And I mean, we'll see. I'll look up all these product prices, but I'm not looking at this and saying this is definitely doubling my money. Absolutely not. I wouldn't even give this a $150 price tag. So yeah, they did me dirty. I don't know. I don't know about this year if I'm going to get one or not. I probably will, because I'll be tempted. All right, so here this is. I don't know if I have this. I might, so I'm not going to swatch it. It's a lovely color. But where's my full-size eyeshadow palette? Like, that's just... I didn't see one person unbox that didn't have a full-size eyeshadow palette. They got the extra large. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm stuck on that. Tell me, am I too stuck on that? I don't know. I hope my Jeffree Star one is better. It can't be worse. All right, but let me know your thoughts. Is this the worst one you've seen so far? Because it's the worst one. I've watched a lot of them, and this is the worst one that I've seen. I was really hoping that it was a little more spectacular than getting 2 mini palettes, a bright red lip gloss, a mini brush, and then, you know, some good skincare, a shampoo. I'm glad I got this and not the dandruff one. The Good Molecules, that's like probably $8, something like that. And a scrunchie. I don't know. Let me know. All right. Well, thanks so much for spending a little time with me. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It is totally free to subscribe here. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.